guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing seems to be a very popular video on YouTube now, and I just jumped on the bandwagon for it. And it is the Dia & Co unboxing. This is my first one ever. I'm really excited about it. I actually got inspired to do it by Candy Fox. Hi Candy. So I'm really excited to see what kind of things they got me, so let's open it up. And I had already cut the tape, so it wouldn't be so noisy. And then of course they give you the information and then the return package. Alright, so the first thing we have here is like a burgundy tank top. Let's see, who's by Dex. Really cute. I like the lace detailing at the top. It's kind of opening. Looks like it kind of like there's a tri-layer. It's shorter in the front, a little bit longer in the back. The material feels very sheer, so definitely probably have to wear a tank top underneath that. It's cute though. Then the next item we have looks by Girl with Curves. The name sounds familiar. Isn't she a YouTuber or a blogger? Anyway, it's this 3/4 length shirt. It's a navy and white striped shirt, and it's kind of cupped at the end, if you can see that. Super cute. Let's see. All my shirt sizes are 3X. And we have it's like a purse. It's navy blue with silver little studs around it. Very cute. Let's see, who is this by? Moda Luxie. You can see the inside. It's got this like a floral print. Very cute. Very, very cute. And the next thing looks like a dress by Sandra Darren. Yeah, it's definitely a dress. If you can see this, I'm not sure what to call this type of print. If anybody knows, please let me know in the comments down below. Seems to be kind of cinched at the waistline. Flowy. The material is very soft. Looks like it go about to the knee. And then the inside, a little bit around, is this blue. And then you got the gold zipper that goes up the back. It's very cute. And then the last thing is a pair of jeans. The dress was a size 24. The jeans are from Morgan & Walker, size 24. Seems to be a dark wash. Kind of flared at the bottom. You can see that. Very dark, which is good for, you know, concealing. Let's see the bottom kind of flares out, kind of straight-legged. So let me try everything on and we'll see what we think. Okay, so here's the first one. This is that first shirt. If you can see, I had to put a tank top underneath that. But if you see this right here, it's definitely too tight around the chest area, And the arms, I mean, it's very tight. And then down here, I mean, it does fit for the most part, but there's like no give on this. So I don't think I'm gonna keep that. But here are the jeans. I mean, they're very high-waisted. They're very, very stretchy. You can see that. I really like that. So you can go like that. And then here, it flares out at the bottom. So, I think so far the jeans are a thumbs up, but the shirt, no. Let's see what next one. Here is the second shirt, which I really like. It's very stretchy, very classy. Typically not a fan of like quarter length shirts, but this one's actually very nice. And it's not, you know, very tight around the bottom like the other one was. It's very stretchy. I think it quite flatters me. Sorry about the angle. And I think that would look really cute with the purse that came with it. I'll go with that. I have the same jeans on, so I don't know. Maybe it's a thumbs up. Right now it's in the middle. We'll see. Let's try the last thing. Here's the final one, which was that dress. I mean, it does fit. I think it could have been even a size smaller. I don't know. But here's, if it comes down to just past the knee, you can see that there. See the detailing. It's very comfortable, very stretchy. But you guys tell me. What do you think? I don't know. Let's sit down and talk about the details. Okay, now after trying everything on, let's go through everything. I was styled by Tiana, which I liked everything. Like, the colors were really cute. The styles are a little bit different than what I'm used to wearing. The problem is with that first shirt, this one, just it did not fit me in the chest area, and then around the stomach. Even though it did fit, there was like no give, no room to move around. And sorry, what I did want to point out is that this detail right here, the stitching across the chest, I can just see that over time, you know, coming out because of the chest. It was pulling. So that's gonna be a no. And then the other thing is the dress. It did fit. I think it could have been even a size smaller. It's super stretchy too. Like, there's definitely a lot of room in there. It is really, really comfortable. The length of it was perfect, at least for my taste. It's just, I'm just not feeling this pattern. Just not something I am into. If it would have been like maybe black or like a solid color, like maybe like a navy blue or something like that, I think, or even the this color, that actually would have been beautiful. I think I would have definitely kept it, but I can't see myself wearing it. I'm not a fan of the style. So, with everything together, now the pants I absolutely love. I'm definitely keeping those. The, what is it? The lacy lace neck cap sleeve blouse. No, I apologize. The Riley balloon sleeve blouse. This one right here. Again, this is really stretchy, really comfortable. It fit me perfectly. Even the arms, they weren't too tight around me. Still going back and forth on this. I mean, I do like it. I don't know if I would wear it that much. I don't know. I mean, you do have 5 days to decide, so going to let that, it's going to have to sit on me for a while. And then the bag is super cute. I mean, I do like it. This would be good for like maybe a date night or like going girl shopping or something, but it's too small. I mean, my wallet would take up the majority of the space in there. I like big purses. And I know it's a clutch. It's supposed to be for like, you know, like I said, like a night out or something. But I don't know. And see the bottom here? Can you see that? Like this, like the stitching is coming out. I mean, it is 35 bucks, but it is rather small for 35 bucks. And the fact that the stitching is already coming out, I don't know. I think that's going to be a pass as well. So, the dress was a size 24, and it was $69. The bag was $35. This blouse right here was $49. Let's see, that first one, this one right here, it's actually more like a tank top than a blouse. That was actually $49.99, and then the jeans are $69. Altogether, it would be $271.99 minus the styling fee and 25% off. It would be $183.99, which is not that bad, I do have to say. So, the pants I'm definitely keeping. Like, they fit me perfectly. And to me, that's like one of my biggest, I guess, styling pieces that I have are jeans. I love jeans. So when I find a good one, I keep them. So that's definitely a keep. The dress and then that first blouse, because the first blouse, it didn't fit. Dress, like I said, I'm just not feeling that style or going back. The bag's going back, and I'm still undecided on that other shirt. So, I mean, for it being my first box, it's okay. I liked both of the blouses. I love the pants. I'm keeping those. The bag is super cute. The dress, that's a no. I mean, and yeah, I'm going to keep doing it because, you know, this is the first box. People, you know, these people don't know me. Or even through a little survey that I did. So, I will give them another try, but the fact that I'm sending back at least 3 of the 5 items, and one of them seems to be kind of defective, is like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to just let it ponder on me about this shirt. Definitely keeping the pants, for sure. So, that is my Dia & Co. unboxing, January 2018. I plan on doing a lot more videos, unboxings. I have a huge haul coming. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. So stick around. I definitely have a lot more videos coming, like I said. And have a nice day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.